This photo of Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Salvador Panelo became viral. Thanks to Nueva Ecija Vice Governor Anthony Umali. According to the Novo Ecijano Facebook page, it was Umali who had been carrying sacks of rice from the truck to the empty chairs of relief goods for residents. Panelo merely followed what the Vice Governor was doing. It happened on day 3 of the distribution of ayuda, where Panelo joined Nueva Ecija Governor Umali and other officials. According to the FB page, Panelo was impressed.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.